Hi viewers, welcome to another session of my maths class, and today I want to solve a problem under inverse function. An inverse function simply means to undo or to reverse a function which has already been done. An inverse function is denoted in this form. Inverse function. So this inverse function, this is a function here which is undo or reverse to this. This is what is called inverse function. Let me use a diagram to illustrate more on inverse function. And when solving an inverse function, all you need to do is the first thing you need to do is to switch your x and y. So let me use a diagram to explain more on that. So we have the domain in our function as x. So we have a, b, and c here, and we have, and this is our function here, and we have y as the range 1, 2, and 3. So let me say my a goes to 3, and c goes to 2, and b goes to 1. So I'm going to switch x and y. I'm going to switch x and y to form or to get my inverse function. So my range comes here, which is y, well, 1, 2, and 3 here. So the inverse function, sign the inverse function. So we have here the domain as x, unknown variables a, b, and c. So I have my a pointing to 3, and my c pointing to 2, and my b pointing to 1. So what I've done here is just to give you an illustration of how to solve a typical problem under inverse function. Switching x and y, that's what it means. I'm switching x and y. So let me solve this problem here. So the first thing to do is to switch your x and y. So this is the function here, which is the same thing as y is equals to 5 all over x minus 2. The first thing to do here is to switch your x and y, the two variables. So if we switch the two variables, the new problem will become x is equals to 5 all over y minus 2. And the next step here in solving this problem is to multiply both sides of this problem with x and y. To multiply both sides with x and y, we say multiply both sides with minus 2. So we're multiplying both sides of this problem with minus 2. And that will become minus 2 multiplied by x is equals to 5 all over x minus 2 multiplied by, y minus 2 multiplied by y minus 2. So we're succeeding in striking out y minus 2 on this both sides. So we have selected 5 here. So the new problem will become y. So when we multiply this, we'll multiply x by y minus 2. That will become x y equals to minus 2 times x will become 2x is equals to 5. So the next step here is to add to move minus 2 to this side. Automatically, when you cross an inequality sign, when negative cross an inequality sign, the sign changes. But let's use let's add a plus 2 on both sides to move it in a simple way to give you proper understanding. Fine. So add plus 2x on both sides. So that will become xy minus 2x plus 2x is equals to 2x plus 5 plus 5. So this is gone because there's a negative sign here. Minus 2 plus 2 we definitely strike out the 2x. So these 2x are gone. So we're left with x y is equals to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Now the next step is to divide both sides by x. The next step is to divide both sides by x so that we can be able to isolate this y. So we say divide both sides by x, and that will become xy all over x is equals to 2x divided by x plus 5 divided by x. So this x will cancel this x will cancel this x. So we're left with a new function of inverse of this function as y is equals to 2 plus 5 all over 2, and the function, the inverse function is 2 plus 5 over x. Thank you very much, viewers. If you need a special attention or one-on-one class, there's a number below this video you can contact. Thank you very much.